Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. So dancehall recording artist Merciless was laid to rest on Saturday in Clarendon, and I can tell you that hundreds of fans turned out in order to pay their final respect to one of Jamaica's greatest dancehall recording superstar to date. However, there have been many questions being raised about the representation of the music fraternity, especially other recording artists, at the funeral service that was very lacking, as many did not saw a whole lot of recording artists turning out in order to pay their respect. When we return, we'll discuss this on the program. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Updates, and we'll be right back. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. So many have been describing the funeral service of dancehall recording artist Merciless as a total disrespect to his fans and also his family, based on the fact that the music fraternity did not turn out in their numbers in order to pay their final respect. The funeral service, which was held in Clarendon, only saw a handful of dancehall recording star or the music fraternity representing at the funeral service. This has raised many questions more than answers as it relates to why more recording artists did not turn out at the funeral service. Many music insiders has been weighing in on the whole entire situation that went down with the funeral service of one of Jamaica's finest dancehall hardcore recording superstar, Leonard Bartley, more popularly known as Merciless. But my own personal view on the situation is that I believe that more recording artists should have been representing at the funeral service, and it's very sad to see that the whole music fraternity did not turn out to pay their respect to one of the legends of our music. It just goes to show you how the music industry is very corrupt, and there are many people out there that is not in support of some of these legends in our music space. Merciless rose to fame and serious popularity in the 90s after he became a household name after some lyrical clash with some of the top figures in our dancehall music space. So it's very sad to see that the music fraternity did not turn out in actually Jones in order to support the fallen soldier who has been one of the dominant figure and also one that publicized our music not only locally but on the international scene. I personally feel bad about the whole entire situation, and it just goes to show you that the music industry is very bad, and it's an industry that people is not very supportive of, especially at the passing of an individual that would have been such a dominant figure and still was a relevant name of our dancehall music. And a number of people have been weighing in on the whole entire situation, and it's very clear because people are not blind. People are actually talking about the situation based on the fact that they have seen the funeral service, and a number of people can just actually recall the handful of recording superstars that went to the funeral service. So hats off to those that went, and I don't really want to start calling names of those that went, but those that went, you know yourself, you know you represent. And I'm gonna call some names, especially Lexus was there. I saw Lexus, I saw Spraga Benz, I saw Little Hero, and a number of other entertainers as well. I saw Ala Zaid and a number of other entertainers, but the mass majority of the dancehall music space was not at the funeral service, and that is very sad. You have some upcoming dancehall stars as well that I believe should have their hats off to Merciless for paving the way of our dancehall music, for them now to have a stage in order to do their craft. But as I said before, this is actually a slap in the face for the fans of Merciless, a slap in the face for the family of Merciless as well, who I know was actually hoping that many would have turned out in order to pay their respect to this individual that cemented his name as a household name in Jamaica. And even though he's past and gone, Merciless name will forever live on, because Merciless has created that platform and that avenue for people to remember him and his music and his craft as well. Merciless, walk with my brother. We're going to share some highlights of what different people have to say about the whole entire situation and what they believe went down at the funeral service, why these entertainers did not turn out in their numbers. So let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV.
Boy, people, a long time I don't do a live, you know, but, you know, a long time I don't do a live, but, you know, I want to say something this morning. I just want to say something this morning, you know. I want to say something this morning, Star, you see me? I just want to say something. You know, some lie down in my bed and I'm reminisce upon some little vibes that go on over the weekend. See? Now, people, you know, I see them a quarrel on social media about Merciless. I wish artists no go a Merciless funeral and who no do this and who no do that and who no this and who no that. See? The thing is, one have to know say that the music industry at Jamaica is one of the most undivided organization you have. It not have no love in it, people. It not no love in it at all. It's a Jamaica artists them. Jamaica artists them are the worst set of people. Jamaica artists are my worst set of human beings. The worst set of human beings them. Saying when it come to each other. Saying you have a set of artists where no care what them show love, you know. Because in everything you have good and you have bad. But you can't count the good set of artists them on one hand. And you can't count the good set of artists them on one hand. Saying and you can't count the good set of artists them on one hand. Now I'm going to show you a thing. May I start from the candlelight for Merciless. A lot of artists turn out and go show them love the candle when they have the candlelight for him. Man go they go sing, man go they go DJ, cause one little sound there. See? But how much of them genuinely do it from them art? Because nowadays social media is a thing where for a man see something where him can go get a highlight off. And him can go on social media and he get views. Him run gone do it. See? So some of them you see them at the candlelight. And then you have the setup. Some of the artists them where you know you can call them like the Peter Metro them and the Bunny General them and the Major Mackerel them, saying and the Super Black them and so forth, saying, you know, a lot of foundation artists like the Admiralty met them and them went at the candlelight, saying, so them go pay them respect at the candlelight, and then a set of them come back at the setup, saying, and we not say some of them at the funeral. Now, we're not supposed to depend no, some man there a chat off all them out on social media. Them never that funeral. They not go. You know see them from Merciless dead. See? So me I say, them not you know see them from Merciless dead. People, let me tell you something, man. See? You see them artists, yeah. And them sound system people with that Jamaica, me show you. Them now no unity, them now have no love for each other. Me fight struggle for sound system. Me go sit down with politicians, this, that, rare. When the time come, for them support the movement, none of them not do it. Me draw with myself and me love them. Me draw with myself and me love them people. See? Now it's a merciless now. There's no way some man I go show merciless love, you know. Because certain man, let me rephrase that. There's no way certain man I go show merciless love. Some of them big artists, so a man say, no go there. Because two of the biggest artists were in Jamaica. Two of the biggest artists were in Jamaica. Them two artists, there are two artists where them are like nothing. You have two artists in Jamaica, people. Saying, when I leg on nothing. You see them two artists there, them are leg on nothing. Them two artists there, them we go so boom and go on like them good with you after a while. But them are leg on nothing. Them carry up, them have you up in them art same way. Two DJ in Jamaica, when me know how stay so. Them are leg on nothing, people. So if them DJ then no man have to ask me who don't know. All I want to know. But so them two DJ them. If only they expect them two DJ them to go a Merciless funeral, I want to know man, Hail Storm and Jow that come for earth. See? Them not got nothing. Now some man for member say no. Merciless mash up 3 DJ in Jamaica. A Sting. See? He mash up 3 DJ and from that time, one of the DJ out of the 3 really show Merciless love see away. And if him could have gone Merciless funeral, he would have broke out of prison and go. I don't have to call no man name. But you have 2 DJ in Jamaica. Somebody goes up and said to Mr. Chopper, I interview me and say, oh, me not see them. I say, you know, me see them in Europe. So me don't know if they come back, but when me run by the Russia, them die Jamaica. See? Now people, if them 2 DJ don't want to go Merciless thing, that say a lot. See? Because you see in a life, enemies can show respect to. Enemies can show respect. One of the greatest things in a gangster is when enemy can show respect. No care how you bad and how you this and that. You have a thing where a code where enemy can show respect. See? And that is something where every man have to face that. Every man have to face that, people. Every man have got that, you know. Because so them say just set it. Now, all our Merciless fans them. You don't cuss with nobody. I know only not in an argument. Because the same Bible where we use and guide our life daily, the Bible says, make the dead bury them dead. So the dead, Merciless people them bury them family. Saying, and I'm raise my hand, saying, the youth get a good send off. Him family never beg nobody no money for bury him. Him family no beg no money for bury him. A royal family, a royal funeral the youth get. From the youth thing start to finish, it just royalness. Them put on the youth like a king. The setup night. My son and 2 more son a play in a one venue. And then round the DJ yard, them have singing a go on with a kumina band and them something there. See? So 2 set up keep the night, you know. 1 for Christian them and 1 for Royal them. We are play rubber dub and I play music here so and stage show go on so and Christianity go on round a Merciless yard. See? The youth funeral. Good send off him get. His funeral was well put together. See? Professional. The professionalism was there right through from the start of the service until it finished. See? So me I say, See? Now me done. I show you a thing me done. See? I don't want a man see me I do my life and I come talk about me never got squingy thing. See? If me not in Jamaica, I can't go. Me have engagement before the youth dead. And when the youth dead, me was not in Jamaica. See? So me I say, see? Nobody come from my see? So me I say, all me I say, people. Them DJ that wanna turn out for the man thing, and the artists that wanna turn out for the man thing. Everybody are their own big man. Saying, everybody are their own big man. Saying, just hope say when them dead, saying, them not have to worry about Merciless I come for them funeral, you know. Because Merciless done do him for do already, so them people, them not have to worry about Merciless. Him done gone already. You see me? So who left on the earth, make sure when them drop out, them get good funeral like Merciless too. And people turn out. See? So me I say, you understand? Because I one thing me know about Merciless funeral, you know, cause I was there right through. See? You never have no bag of hypocrite at the youth thing. No bag of hypocrite never did it. No bag of hypocrite never did it. And the real people who love Leonard Bartley, go on Leonard Bartley something. And support the family. The real youth them. The real artists them. Who love the youth, love Merciless, go on Merciless thing. See? So who never forward a Merciless whole festive celebration and celebrate youth life? We never miss no. We never miss no. We never miss no. So people, we don't have to go on social media and say, this a one I never got, that the one I never got. And the industry, this, that. The industry is a big industry. I want big industry. Now, means a youth get up more time. I'm a bonfire upon the little new youth, them little new DJ, them and so. But, yo, I'm going to tell you something, man. The way the youth them all live, look new youth them all live. I wear the foundation artists, them, enough of them live amongst them. One of them, the youth them go so pick up that thing here and fight against them one another. You see me? Fight against them one another, me done. Kind of unity that what not there when it comes to the old school. A lot of them old school, yeah. Them are people. A lot of them are saying. So me I say, so I want to stop talking about, you know, look good. That's all they are. Them show them real self. People don't know realness in a life, you know. Realness is not something you can push in a people, you know. If some people not real from morning, them not go ever real. Them can't real. Realness is something that just come out of you. And when you do it, you don't look like you act. You see me I say? You don't look like you act. You just real people. And that is realness. See? Your realness are realness, people. You can't act and put on realness. Realness are realness. See? And oh no God, the man thing. We don't miss them people. We don't miss them. The thing was festive. We have a nice vibes and the vibe just nice. Nice. Alright. It don't come like me go on a funeral, you know. It come like it's a next dance or stage show me go. Saturday. Cause the thing just sweet. The vibe just nice. The way the man mother happy. Saying, be a love. Saying, be a love star. So me I say, and if you listen Merciless song, you know. A man do a song where him say him write a letter to him mama then and him and talk about DJ and the man all say it's a Sprague Benz, a real G. The man I tell you how the industry here long before him dead, enough of only see that. Cause Praga turn up and go show him respect. Mr. Lex go show him respect. See? So me I say, them you they go show them respect, my lord. Holy pipe, the youth them name like certain man. The eggnog them, the quenchate them, the Fantan Moja, the twins of twins them, seeing the Dan Mafia, the Super Black them, the Bunny General them, seeing Picnic, seeing Predator, seeing, and all of them I show you out all the sound man them too, seeing the sound man them what did not even pass 5. The sound man they not even pass at 5. Someone not come shut off on the mouth. Yo, the sound man them done. He not pass 5. He not pass 5 sound man. The biggest sound system selector they are me. I have big sound in Jamaica. If me call name it or cast, it a go ruffle feathers and cast problem. See? None of them not turn up. See? None of them not even send a representative and say, okay, I come from a sound, I come from, they're not showing no love. So what I say? Who never come on the man thing, go lower the blood thing. And the man bury and him think good now, so them look up see how they on social media talk about who artists should have go and this all the artists them we never come. We're glad when they come. Come here, when they come spoil you up with no bad vibes. And come spoil it up with no folkry. Because the right to be a real people today. Be a real people. Pure real people. See? So who never come, we don't miss you no. We don't miss you no. See? But one thing me I tell some of them boy who in a music. Hope when uno drop flesh, you know. See? Hope when uno drop flesh. Few nothing royal like Merciless own and it go on good like Merciless own. Because if it not happen, you know have a flap. See? And them in a life them say to the few tomorrow for me. See? To the few and tomorrow for me. See? People, all who love the youth and rate the youth, see? On the fly the youth banner I see away, man. Show him respect same way. See? Don't busy about the tractors or what them want to say or who want shut off them mouth. Because the youth very good. See? Him very good right through from start to finish. The youth thing royal. See? Him thing royal star. Royal. The thing you think was bumbleclad royal. We don't miss nobody. The thing was good. Who no come, them just show who they are. Them true colors jump up people. See? So then when nobody come now and say, okay, I couldn't go because of this. I couldn't go because of that. Me put on everything what I have to do. Other people put on things what them have to do too. And put off things what them have to do. And then make sure them go. Let me show you a thing. Let me show you. Me see a DJ there, you know. One youth I used to DJ for Scorpio. In name Barry Back. When I say Barry Back at the church, I say, and in here, I say Barry Back, wagwan. He's a trooper, I die, you know. Seeing? And I say to Mr. Trooper, me not even know how me going to reach up at the up push part, Merciless, Berry, and how me going to reach home. I say to Barry Back, then how you reach her? The youth say, boss him take. Him take boss. The man live at Glengarth. We in a one bush in a catching. So he take one bus, come at half a tree, then he take a bus from half a tree and go Maypen. And I said to him, say, you know no problem. Ride with me. See? And I fling him in my vehicle. And me and him and Killer Kush. Seeing you the way to play Alaska Killer. Cause me a killer part. Me and him drive from which part the service keep in a Maypen town and drive go which part Merciless and Berry up a theme place near Chapelton. So if a youth like that who's a foundation DJ as an old man, him not even have a vehicle and him can't take a bus miles from where him live and go a Maypen for showing respect to Merciless. One to them we have big vehicle and them they will not tell me nothing, man. The business I just have a bag of in it. Just some big them are some in our music. Long time some in our music. Some in our music. One of them me boss him and fight with him, and enough time he try kill me in a dance. Him sell me out enough. But you know the greatest thing me glad for in a life, me is a youth, me is a boy persevere. And me tell my woman and my picnic them say when me drop flesh, don't put me in a coffin as me drop flesh. Burn my body. Burn me same time. Don't keep nothing for me. If they ever keep something for me, them know if death have powers or not. All them have to do is burn me. Take me ashes and put in some chain and give me picnic them. Anyone when I want the chain, fling white. Me don't want nothing keep for me. Me don't want nothing at all keep for me. Me don't want no memorial service. Me don't want no pan-knock. Me don't want no bad mind artist and bad mind sound man. Come turn up. And come drink and a chat up. Go suck. Me don't want none of you to come. Then give him love. So the rest of you no go man. Saying, all who never support the youth. We never need you, no. We don't miss you, no. Say, I don't have to like me, you know. Because I don't beg no boy and music nothing. Because music blood that change. No big sound clash that now go on again. When me need no for no song. Because no for no artist boy too. It best no pass, you know. It best no pass. So we just play on no blood. All set of song them like Randy's record shop. Seeing? Because you know no better for getting that music, you know. Only just did it. Somehow no for hang up on belt and go to no mama and go sit down too. People know have a blessed day here. Big up on yourself, my out.
So there you had the views of two of one of the most premier figure within the dancehall music sound industry itself. And they gave their opinion as to what they believe happened. I hope that you enjoy watching this video as we enjoy broadcasting it to you. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we sign out from here. Peace out and bless.